Hi guys, we're back for vlog number
4. Well, that's 8. So it'll be 4.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Alright. So, what did we do since last time we did the video?
Well, we've been cooking and eating and having food, which has been really nice. I've been trying to go through different keto recipes to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner tonight.
We kind of don't know what to have.
Yeah.
I almost want to go out and eat,
We're
but
talking about this.
can't happen. I mean, we just can't do it. I mean, we could do takeout, but something that we want, that would be kind of hard to do.
Yeah, but our food intake has been really good. Like we're doing roughly 2 meals a day.
Well, the plan is 2 meals a day and snack in between, like a good snack. But the problem with that is that I love snacks and I like snacking even after a meal, so that's not always a great thing.
So instead of making dinner last night, I made another snack for us.
Pretty much.
Instead of dinner, which
So
was
we
good.
didn't- yeah.
It wasn't a big meal. It was like nice and small.
But it's still keto snacks.
So we're just watching like how much we're having and what we're doing.
I don't know why I'm having coffee so late.
I'm not surprised.
Come on.
But hey, we also worked out this morning, and this is our first workout, like actual CrossFit workout. Since fasting, since our my day 1 and your day 2 of fasting.
Correct.
So it's been a while since we've worked out.
It's been a week. Exactly a week. It was last Tuesday that we did it.
Yeah.
And we did this Tuesday. We went for a run this Sunday. Then we also went for a walk with Humphrey.
Yeah.
So, which was good, but
we still have movement, but more importantly,
it wasn't CrossFit.
We're back to CrossFit, which is really nice. I feel like I've missed it a little bit. And then
we did. I know I did.
Yeah. But it's been really nice. And we get all our programming from Street Parking, which is a company that does like garage gym programming, which has been really, really nice because it's all the equipment we have, has tons of different modifications, and has a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah, which is, we love going to CrossFit gyms, which we go to Coachella Valley CrossFit in La Quinta.
Yes.
But unfortunately, even before this started, we weren't able to go there every time.
Frequently?
I mean, every day, I used to go 4 or 5 times a week.
It's a 30-minute drive.
And 30 minutes drive back.
And every day that was a little bit rough, especially between me going to school and you having different appointments and stuff like that. So we were really trying to make sure that our fitness was happening on our time.
Right.
And so we found that as like a really good piece for us.
Right. And, their programming actually is really good based on as little equipment you have.
Like
or
all
we
you
have.
need are dumbbells.
Right.
And that was
Usually
really,
dumbbells.
Really
I mean, I'm not going to lie. I
don't need anything.
I started hating dumbbells because I got the wrong size. Some of those sizes are a little too much.
A little too heavy, apparently.
A little too heavy. I figured that would help me, but sometimes it discourages me a little bit. But nonetheless, I'm working towards getting the
We've got more.
Yeah.
We've got more dumbbells now,
which is good.
And we've got our whole
workout.
garage gym set up, which has been good.
So here is our gym. Mike's bike, our bike, my canvases, all our weights, and all our gym equipment, including duct tape, apparently. This is where we write our workouts. So today, we're doing this.
We still need a couple items. We still need the rower and GHD machine. So I think that wouldn't be complete because we still need some weights. No.
Apparently we need things.
We still need things. So so that's good to go.
That was a highlight from today, I think.
Yeah, and we're gonna work out tomorrow, and the plan is to do as much as possible as far as working out.
As much fitness as we can, as possible.
At least 5 times a week, if not more. And so now one of the new things that you started today, well, it's not new, you started another project today.
I finally opened a new canvas. So we've had a couple canvases in in the garage for about a week or 2 now. And I finally pulled one out and started painting and started drawing on one, and so I'm really excited.
And what are we painting?
I'm painting a tiger.
What are you doing, Bettina?
I'm painting
Ooh, what are we painting today?
a tiger
Nice.
per your request.
Thank you.
Huh, Humphrey?
Calm down, Humphrey. Whoa.
Because Mike asked me to. And so we'll see how it goes. I've never painted a tiger before. The drawing is looking good, but we'll see. But now apparently we have to watch Tiger King because that's a thing.
What is this?
It's
Tiger
a
King
documentary on some guy who used to own exotic cats in
Documentary?
LA. But it's like
Okay.
multiple
All
episodes.
right.
But apparently there's like death and despair and
Kind of lost my interest
Corruption?
already.
we'll have to watch one episode.
Okay, one. We'll watch one.
One episode. And then we'll see how that goes.
And I've been pretty busy a couple of days myself.
Yeah.
We closed on a property yesterday and also working on a listing right now as we speak.
Yeah.
Actually, I had the virtual listing appointment with my clients from New York yesterday and I went to go visit the property today. So this is why I'm a little dressed up today, even though
Yeah.
I wasn't meeting anyone. I was, just there.
Checking out some
Kind of
properties.
felt like I will dress up and
But we got a new toy. The 3D virtual.
yes, 3D virtual tour camera, which is going to be amazing. So for all our clients that it doesn't, so if the property doesn't have a 3D tour or virtual or walkthrough of any kind,
We have
go
this
do that for
new camera that
all
will
of our clients.
help us to
Right.
get that view, which
That's
is
gonna be
really
amazing.
exciting.
Really excited. So
It'll be fun to use.
yeah, so that's what we have been up to. So let us know what you guys have been up to in the last couple of days, and we'd love to see your guys' faces, and we'd love to hear from you guys. And also,
Mike and I had been talking. We're gonna do like a
Yes.
paint night via Zoom or something like
Yes,
that, where we have like
yes.
cocktails and we paint or something like that. So stay tuned. We'll give you more information, and you can join us.
I think right now we're
for our
thinking,
paint night.
Yeah, it's going to be a virtual social
paint
paint night, and I think I wanted to call it virtual paint and sip, and we're hoping it's going to be this Saturday at 6 p.m.
VPS.
Virtual paint and sip, VPS, exactly. And it's going to
It's not catchy, but we'll go with it.
okay, whatever.
Virtual
So-
paint sip brought to you by.
We'll
Mike
give you
and
guys more information on that probably by tomorrow. So, but I'm hoping it's going to be easy painting because I'm not a painter at all. She is, so it's going to be fun.
Get to come up with some painting, and
Yeah.
we'll all paint the same thing. So,
Sounds good.
All right,
guys.
see you guys
See you guys
soon.
in a couple of days.
bye.